Okay, our next section that we're going to look at is calculating the area of a triangle, which should be very, very easy because it's almost exactly the same as calculating the area of a parallelogram. So, and to illustrate that, take a look at this parallelogram. Remember what a parallelogram is? We have two equal sides here, or sorry, two parallel sides here, and two parallel sides right here. That's our parallelogram. You connect these 2 points with a diagonal line, or we could do A and C as well. And what you have as a result is two triangles that are exactly the same size. Okay? So if you figure out the area of this parallelogram and then just divide it in two, you've got your area of a triangle. It's very, very simple. Okay, so let's take a look at the formula for calculating area of a triangle. Now, there's two ways to look at it. You could go a half times base times height, or you could do base times height divided by 2. I'm going to do not this one. So pretend that one doesn't exist. Oh, no, not that one. Oops. Okay, pretend that one doesn't exist. I mean, it certainly makes sense mathematically, but as far as just common understanding of how you calculate the area, I think this one's probably better. Okay, so base times height divided by 2. So here are abbreviations, B for base and H for height. So base times height, exactly the same as calculating the area of a parallelogram, except now we just divide it by 2. So if we look at this triangle over here, this edge right here is our base, okay? And our base is 4 centimeters. And our height, which is the bottommost point to the highest most point, is 6 centimeters. So we plug that in. Our base is 4 centimeters times 6 centimeters. And then we're going to divide that by 2. Don't ever forget to put your units in there because that's very important. Now, once we multiply 4 times 6, because in order of operations, it says that multiplying and dividing is done in the same step, but you go from left to right. So don't ever do this the second one first. We always do our first one here. Okay, so 4 times 6, that gives us 24. And now our units are centimeters squared. Okay, we've multiplied them together, so that's centimeters squared. And then we can go ahead and divide by 2. And when we divide by 2, we get an area of 12 centimeters squared. And that's the area of that triangle. Okay, let's look at another one. Here's our new triangle. Now, what's our base? Right, and what's our height? You betcha. Now, just because I want to make sure you understand this, what if we turned it this way? Now what's our base? And our height? Right, so this way our base would be 6 centimeters and our height would be 7. Does it matter which way it goes? Absolutely not, because you're still multiplying the same two numbers together, so it doesn't make a difference. So our formula for the area of for calculating area of a triangle is, that's right, base times height divided by 2. Our base, sorry, just wanted to extend my page there. Our base is, if it's in this orientation, is 7 centimeters, and our height is 6 centimeters, so we plug that in and we've got, oh sorry, there's the abbreviations. We've got 7 centimeters times 6 centimeters divided by 2. Remember, don't ever forget to put your units in. So we multiply that, we get 42 centimeters squared. Then we divide by 2 finally to get 21 centimeters squared. And that's all there is to finding the area of a triangle.